Happy Monday. It's Recap Monday, so we're recapping a box. That's what Recap Monday means. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. Follow me on Twitter. Don't follow me on Instagram. Well, you mean you can, but I don't use Instagram really. You can also do that if you really want to, but no pressure. Which is short for no pressure. I think that's it. Yeah, hi pals. Before we actually get started, not this Wednesday, but next Wednesday. Next Wednesday, December 23rd at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're doing another live unboxing, just in time for the holidays if you want to do that, because I don't think anyone's really going to be traveling, so why not stop by and watch me be annoying and open a beater box just for fun. I think we're going to be opening a 925, because I have a 925 hanging out over there. So stop by next Wednesday, the 23rd, December 23rd. Live unboxing. Should be fun. Today we are recapping a Soul Steels box that was the second most expensive beater box I've ever gotten and ever had on this channel. The number one being the $4,000 box that had like the Louis Vuitton, Kanye, Jasper patchwork thingies in them that I still have because it's impossible to sell a $6,000 shoe or whatever. During the pandemic, I mean, because everything's closed. The dude who runs Soul Steels, Scotty, like manages to get his hands on some pretty crazy stuff. So it's really no surprise that this ridiculously expensive box had some pretty awesome hype beast bait inside of it. This box was opened on June 28th, and I think the video was on July 3rd. So we're going back, yeah, a little bit over 5 months. So here you go. Here's a $3,450 Soul Steels beater box. I am not usually a fan of buying boxes that are this expensive. I would much rather have 6 boxes that total $3,400, but it's a newer tried on pair. It's like some kind of FLYKNIT upper with a white outsole. Next up, we got an Air Jordan 5 Retro BG in a size 4Y. And this is the Poison Green Jordan 5. It's a size, what, 4 youth? Hey, I'm not gonna act like other YouTubers and say like, I don't know about this box. The thing's open to me. I can see why it's so expensive. This is a size, 9.5, YEEZY Boost 350 V2. It's one of the rare colorways of a YEEZY that isn't some shade of brown or tan. This is the BELUGA 2.0. These are worn, a little bit of outsole wear. How's the heel drag? I don't really like YEEZYs because I have eyeballs that work. So these are worn. But this is a very cool colorway. This is the SILT Red or SILT Rose. I don't remember. I think it's SILT Red. Does it say on the box? SILT Red. I've got an Air Jordan 1 in a size 8.5. They're in pretty okay shape. Based on the Wings logo, I can tell it is the 2013 release of the BRED colorway. They released, I think, BREDs, Royals, and Shadows this year. This one is a size 9.5. Air Jordan 1 Off-White NRG, that means this is the UNC colorway. These appear to be worn, there's a little bit of heel drag, but here it is. It's the UNC Off-White colorway. This was, I think, the most widely available Off-White Jordan. Okay, here's the reason why this box was so expensive. It's the Air Jordan 1 in the Off-White Chicago colorway. This was the very first Off-White. This box was split right down the middle, kind of. There's 7 pairs. There's really no way to split it down the middle. But on what platforms they sold on. 3 of them sold on the website and 4 of them sold on GOAT. The last pair that sold from this box was the NIKELAB Pinnacle Air Max 1. And those sold September 25th, which is kind of late. So that gives this box a turnaround of about 12 weeks. So like 3 months essentially. But that's really misleading because there was a huge gap in between when all of the box sold except for the Air Max 1s, like of a month and a half. So also, I'm not gonna mention any names because I'm not that kind of person, but I got some pretty lowball offers on the Off-White Chicago 1s, including one for $2,200. But it was a well-known sneaker flipper in the community, and they were probably offering that to flip. But also at the same time, assuming I'm that much of an idiot and don't know the market enough to actually possibly accept that offer, was a little insulting and kinda hilarious. The estimated market value on this Anxiety Cube, and I say that because it's super expensive, was $5,205, which seems like a lot, but you also gotta keep in mind that the investment on this box was like $3,500. That's a lot of money. After subtracting that box cost, so the actual box cost was $34.55. Soul Steel's memberships are cheaper than BeaterBox memberships, so it's only like $5 a week essentially. We're left with an estimated difference of $1,750. Then, as always, assuming they would all sell on GOAT, we put it into the GOAT formula, whatever you call it. That left us with an estimated net profit of $1,503.84, or a return of 43.53%, which is pretty consistent with Soul Supremacy beater boxes. So, average, I guess? Now let's bring out the old spreadsheet. As you can see on the far right column, the gross sales for this box added up to $5,204, which is $1 under the estimated gross. So that means I win both showcases. So Price is Right reference that probably not a lot of younger people will understand. After subtracting shipping and processing fees, the actual net sales of the box totaled out to $4,664.59. Then after taking out the cost of the box, we end up with a net profit of $1,209.59 to give this box an ROI of 34.96%. Again, pretty average compared to the other boxes. But the obvious difference in this box is that 34% is actually $1,200. That's pretty big. This box there wasn't really much to it to look into it. It's just a high ticket box, but there are some pretty interesting things about this. Number one, high risk equals high reward. You know when people say scared money don't make money? That's wrong, because the money that I put into this was terrifying. But luckily, as you see, we came out on top. Can't complain about that. Number two, the benefit of apps. High ticket pairs like the Off-White Chicagos and even the 2013 BREDs were sold with the utmost of ease on the GOAT app. Yeah, that means they're taking like 12% of the total sale, but the peace of mind I experienced by avoiding like chargebacks and like scams and stuff on the website by selling those pairs on GOAT was, in my opinion, well worth the nearly $450 in fees. Not to mention, if they did sell on the website, like the anxiety brought on by like constantly checking tracking, having to like fully insure a high ticket pair like that, and also like paying extra for like signature confirmation. It's just a lot easier. I mean, I know it's lazy, but I'll definitely take that over having a nonstop panic attack for the week when stuff like that is being shipped. Number three, the myth of expensive boxes. This box proves to me that the whole myth of like high ticket boxes always have an easier time moving it's not true in all cases. Literally the only thing for me that the more expensive boxes do is get more views on YouTube. Because people, again, hypebeast bait. People love seeing that stuff. But at the same time, at the end of the day, it's still me opening the boxes. And I don't know if you guys have picked up on this, but I'm like purposely annoying and kind of weird. So the new people that stop by that have never seen a video of mine, it's either they get it or they don't, and they're just like internet mad for some reason. I mean, as counterproductive as it might seem, I like to just like kind of sprinkle those really expensive boxes into the channel just to get like possible new people to like be on board. But I'm not gonna do it to like, I'm not gonna do it to like mislead people. Like, I don't want people thinking that I'm gonna be buying like $1,500 and $2,000 boxes all the time, because I don't like those boxes. They're just not fun, and they're way more risky. Like, I have an easier time moving boxes in like the $500 to $900 range, and that's just what this series has really proven to me, is that like I know what range to go after hard now. So that's how this box did. I mean, it was a really expensive box. As I said, the second most expensive box on this channel, but it did pretty well. Like, it did as well as any other box. It's just the fact that it cost so much to buy, and we got such a big return. We got such a big number of return. We got a normal return, but a big number. A big number for a big man. No, I'm joking. But these boxes are not my favorite kind of boxes. Why am I standing like this? They're not my favorite kind of boxes to open, but they can be worth it. So, hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Remember to tune in next Wednesday, the 23rd, for a live unboxing, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going to be a $925 Soul Supremacy beater box. Should be fun. So thanks for watching this series. I appreciate it. Remember, if there's anything you think that would make this series better, or if there's something that makes this series not good, let me know, because I'm down to know, because this series is for y'all. So have a great rest of your day. Go Browns. We'll see you next time. Remember to take care of each other and keep sneakers fun, because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.